Nakapangutana ba kasi mong kagalingon, asa ka nadto kong kwarta, no? Sige man ta kog trabaho, sige kog overtime, but wala lagi nabilin. Actually, mao gini ang always may tabo if you do not track your expenses. Mo na matingala ka sa sige na trabaho for how many months, wala lagi mabilin, wala sa kay natigom. You need to track your expenses on a daily basis so that you can create a habit, and this habit also could help you on how to save. Saving money also needs discipline before it turns into a habit. So me personally, akong ginabuhat is gina-categorize na ko siya. First is food, if nagkakaon ko sa gawas. Second is the bills. Kasali na diha ang water, electricity. If naga-rent ka, ibutang po mo ang rent. And also, kung naka-internet connection, ibutang po mo internet connection. Third is the household na mga expenses, if ever naga-grocery ko para sa balay and other needs para sa balay. Fourth is the transportation sa day-to-day na nga gas consumption. And also, if naga-commute mo, ibutang po ninyo diha. Fifth is also leisure, if na ako'y vacation at the same time if magawas ko during weekend. So with this tracking of expenses will going to help you recalibrate kung asa ka ang pinakadako ninyo nga expenses nga category, so that on the following month pwede niyo siya bawasan, and also pag end of the month naapod mo'y matigom.